The Fernandito, or Fernet con Coca, is an iconic Argentinian drink, and if you drink one of these, you won't turn into Diego Maradona or Lionel Messi when you next play football. But you'll probably be partial to asado and empanadas whilst drinking pints of dulce de leche. The ingredient lineup: Fernet Branca, which is an Italian Amaro, which was brought to Argentina by Italian immigrants in the late 19th and early 20th century. Then there's the Coca Cola. I always go for the full sugar version in cocktails, and it's much better out of a glass bottle in my opinion, although these bottles look like they are made for toddlers. Let's kick this off by adding ice to a glass, like we love to do in Europe, cube by cube. And yes, we do this deliberately to troll impatient people. Add to your glass 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of Fernet Branca. Then we want to top this up with Coca Cola. I'm aiming for around 4 ounces, that's 120 ml, or if you like it sweeter, go for more. The history of this cocktail is tricky and shrouded by myths. Some think it's from the 1950s, others the 1970s, although the drink did see a surge in popularity in the 1980s in Cordoba. Give this a very light stir. Optionally garnish with a lemon wheel. The taste test. This reminds me of those old school traditional style sweets, of anise, licorice, that kind of taste. Then there's a sweetness from the Coca Cola. I'm also picking up on a minty menthol kind of hint towards the end. This is decent, simplicity done really well. I'll definitely drink more of these.